everyone, welcome to the first education video of FAME Club, aka Fisheries and Marine Science English Club. Today we'll be discussing 10 tips and tricks from us on how to speak English fluently. But before we get into that, like this video and click subscribe for more of our content. Don't forget the bell. For some of us, English isn't our main tongue, thus making it hard for us to speak fluently. Let's just face it. When we try to speak any foreign language, it may feel weird at first, we might get tongue cramp. So here it is, 10 tips and tricks on how to speak English fluently. Number 1. Get motivated. Remind yourself, why do you want to speak English fluently? Is it for your dream job interview, English speech competition, or just playing games together? Whatever your reason is, let them be your way to get motivated. Number 2. Listen and repeat. This is actually my favorite steps. Try to listen to your favorite movie, song, or maybe your favorite YouTube channel. Listen and try to repeat what they say. It's fun and exercising you at the same time. You can turn on the subtitles or find the lyrics to help you understand the words. Number 3. Try English literature. Not a movie fan? Try English literature. It doesn't have to be Shakespeare level literature. A simple one is enough. Maybe some fun rhymes, poet, like novel, comic book. Try to read them out loud and don't forget to take some notes. Number 4. Learn expression. Hey John, how are you holding? You seem tired. Okay, yeah, I just finished my report so I'm exhausted. I'm gonna hit the hay early. Hear what John's just said? There's a lot of expression to choose from. Hit the hay was just one example of 100, maybe 1,000 of expressions. Try to use them. Number 5. Don't pay too much into grammar. Remember, speaking isn't the same as grammar tasks. It's okay if your grammar isn't too good. The important is your talking partner or your friends understand of what you're saying. Number 6. Ask for someone's help. You can ask your friends, family, or even your teacher to listen and correct you if you make mistakes. You can even take turns to speak. That way, both of you can learn on how to speak English fluently. Number 7. Try on some fun topics. For beginners, you can try such simple topics at first, such as favorite food, hobbies, or maybe pets. You can also try to bet a little. It's okay if your words are still messy, but you gain vocabulary, self-confidence, and improve your speech and public speaking skills. Number 8. Afraid of mistakes? No way! It is normal for you, for me, for us to make mistakes. We are human, we are always making mistakes, including when you try to speak English. But don't you dare let those mistakes cloud your mind. You should use them to move forward instead. Hooray! Number 9. Let it flow. Now you're pretty good talking in English. You should use them often, whether in school, home, or your hangout places. Keep it flow like a river or it'll freeze in time. It means keep using your English speaking skill or you will lose it by the time passes. Number 10. Keep practicing and don't give up. Lastly, there's no instant way to get things done. Well, it doesn't apply to instant noodle though. But this is you, honing your speaking skills to be better. Just like video game, you need to be trained and get leveled up until you defeat the game. So keep practicing and don't give up. You can do it. Hi everyone, thank you for watching our videos. Click that beautiful huge red subscribe button for more content. I'm Rara, till next time.